You ever feel like everyone's driving a race car and you're just riding the train? They're revving engines, burning rubber, swerving between lanes, and you're just over here gently rocking forward, watching the world roll by. And maybe, just maybe, you started to wonder if something was wrong with you. Like, should I be racing too? But here's the thing they don't say out loud. Most people are exhausted from pretending they love the race. They're dizzy, they're lost, they've forgotten what they were speeding toward in the first place. Meanwhile, the train just keeps chugging along. No drama, no burnout, no tire smoke, just steady tracks and time to look out the window. That is what walking feels like to me. Every time I lace up my shoes and step outside, I'm boarding the train again. No rush, no leaderboard, just motion and space and air. The quiet kind of air, the kind you forget you needed. Now don't get me wrong, I used to want the race. I bought the productivity books, had 3 calendars synced across 5 devices. There was a time I set a reminder just to breathe, and I snoozed it. Because I was too busy. But the more I chased speed, the less I saw. I stopped noticing people's faces. I stopped hearing my own thoughts. I even stopped tasting my coffee. And I love coffee. Walking brought all that back. It gave me little windows of stillness. And those windows turned into mirrors. Not the kind you stand in front of, sucking in your stomach, but the kind that shows you what you've become and what you've lost along the way. When you're moving too fast, life becomes a blur. But when you're on the train, when you slow down, you start to see again. The guy fixing his old mailbox, whistling something off-key. The cracked pavement that looks like a map of some ancient land. The sound of leaves arguing over which one gets to fall first. You don't get that in the race car. You get traffic, horns, noise, and no time to figure out why you're even in the damn car to begin with. We were told faster is better, more is better. Go, go, go until you collapse, and then drink caffeine and go some more. The truth is, some of us were built differently. Some of us were meant for walking, for watching, for feeling the click of the track beneath us instead of the screams of tires. I'll be honest with you, sometimes I still feel behind. Friends buying houses I can't afford, launching businesses, running marathons. Meanwhile, I'm out here recording another walk, talking about sidewalks and train metaphors. But you know what? I sleep better. I laugh more. And every once in a while, someone tells me one of those walks helped them slow down. That's worth more than a trophy. So if you've been feeling like you're the only one not racing, let me be clear. You're not broken. You're just on a different track. You're not lost. You're just early to the realization that the finish line isn't the point. The ride is. The trees are. The smell of rain on pavement is. The rhythm of your steps is. So take the walk. Take the damn train. Let everyone else floor the gas if they want. You don't owe the world your burnout. You don't owe it your speed. You owe yourself something quieter, something slower, something real. I'm the Walksmith, and I'll be walking this track until the wheels fall off. Thanks for riding along.